Hello friends, this is Rohan Sharma and you're watching MRRs. Let's get started. In this video, we'll be seeing how to draw a realistic sketch using a ballpoint pen. So this is a big pen which is used for drawing realistic sketches. So I'll be showing this tutorial in a series of videos so that it is easy to understand. So let's start drawing. Before starting, I would tell that don't use a pen that leaks ink. Like here you can see while I'm giving the hatching method, while I'm shading using the hatching method, you can see that there are slight places where the ink is leaking, and this will cause problem when you're drawing these sketches. So be careful with that. So you can see here the dark places are there in between. So as you can see that I have already made the outline of the sketch. So I have used grid method for making the outline. So if you want to know how to draw using grid method, I have given the video in the description also, and it is also in the I button. So please click there and know how to draw using the grid method. So after drawing the outlines using the grid method, what I will be doing is that I will just erase the grid so that it will be easy for us to draw straight into it. So I have erased the areas where we will be drawing now. So in this video we will see how to draw the eyes, both eyes. We will do both the eyes and the eyebrows using the ballpoint pen, and in the upcoming videos we will see the rest. So let's start drawing. So we will start with the iris. So the iris is pretty dark, as we know that it is very dark. So we'll just give straight darkness into it, and then now I'm just giving a light layer around the eyes. So after that you can see now that I'm using the hatching method, which is used for shading. So this method has to be used for shading while using a pen. We can't do it like graphite or charcoal. So we have to use the hatching method. So you see that I've just given the first layer using the hatching method, and now I'm giving a second layer, and now what I'm doing is that I'm giving another hatching layer which is in a different direction. So it is called as cross hatching. So I'm giving cross hatching now, and that will add darkness to the places where it is required. So I'm just referring the reference photo, and I'm giving the places which are dark and which are light. So you have to use hatching and cross hatching to get the desired value. And now you can see that I'm using a white pen to give the highlights in the eyes, and now you can see that I'm just giving a line at the outer portion of the eye. So just observe the reference photo and see which are the dark places and the light places. For the dark places you can go straight like these lines, and then you can see that I am again using hatching. And the most important thing while drawing with a pen is that you have to control your pressure. The amount of pressure you're giving on the pen must be controlled very well, then only it will give a smooth effect. You can see that. So you can see that I have just shaded it using the hatching method, and now I'll just give a little bit darkness to it using the cross hatching method. So I'm just giving a little bit strokes in the other direction. So this is the basic thing that we have to do, is that we have to use hatching and cross hatching to get the desired value. The most important thing is that you control the pressure while using the pen, and you have to try to make very less mistakes because it can't be erased. So that is a big thing. And you can see that now I'm going with the hatching process. And then again a little bit darkness to the
hatching process using cross hatching. And now I'm going for the portion above the upper eyes. So it is a dark in the reference photo, so I'm straightly giving dark hatching over there. And then this is the crease above the eye. I'm just going dark for it. And then you can see that now I'm again going with hatching for the skin part above the eyes. So I'm just giving light shade using the hatching method. And now I'm doing the same thing below. So you have to just do this all around the eyes. You have to just give the initial layer of hatching using the pen. Try to keep the pressure as same as possible. And now you can see at the bottom there is a little bit more darkness in the reference photo. So now I'm just giving a little bit more darkness to it. So at the bottom part and also at this place there's a little bit more darkness than usual, so I'm just giving more darkness. I'm just adding more layers. So now you can see that I'm giving the upper eyelids and now the bottom eyelids. So you can just observe the reference photo and just draw the eyelids. And now I'm just giving some detailing with the white pen. And moving on to the eyebrows is that you have to just do it like normally how you draw. Just make hair-like structures in the required direction as per the reference photo. So you can see that I'm just giving the hair directions as per the photo. So this is the basic process we have used for making sketch using a pen. So now we will do that in the other eye also. So you can see that I'm just repeating the same process again in the other eye. Just concentrate on your hatching and cross hatching to achieve the darkness.
So that's all friends, this is the basic technique for drawing using a pen. So I hope you have understood something from this video, and the next tutorials will be coming up soon. So if you have understood something from this video, give this video a like and ask your questions and thoughts in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. So thank you for watching the video. See you later. Bye bye.